Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Castle. This is my first video and I thought of sharing something which could remove some old bad things from our life. So why not dead skin? Here I am with a video of DIY scrub which you can use on your face as well as on your whole body. So let's get started with the video. So the ingredients are oats powder, honey and milk. First take 1 teaspoon of raw honey, one tablespoon of oats powder, and a little bit of milk. Now mix all the 3 ingredients carefully, and I have added 1 teaspoon of milk again to make this kind of consistency. You can see. You can use oats instead of oats powder, but I feel easy to apply the oats powder pack easily on my face and body, and you need to apply this with the help of your fingers, not with any brush or something. So you need to scrub your face and body with this mixture for 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can wash your face with cold water or lukewarm water. So please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the video.